Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're totally decoding a deeply misunderstood condition, psoriasis. Let's jump right in.
So is psoriasis just an annoying, itchy skin rash? Or does the damage actually go way deeper? Well, it's definitely not rare. In Ho Chi Minh City alone, it affects nearly 2% of people.
It can strike literally anyone at any age. And hey, quick fact check, it is absolutely not contagious.
The actual culprit here? Your own immune system. Rogue T cells trigger false alarms, making skin cells multiply wildly.
But this immune misfire needs a trigger, like genetics, extreme stress, random infections, or even certain medications. To diagnose it, doctors use Brock's test. They gently scrape the skin to reveal 3 super distinct signs. This gentle scraping identifies those classic, thick, scaly plaques, and sometimes even severe damage to the nails.
But honestly, it looks totally different on everyone, from fluid-filled pustules to really thick scalp plaques.
Now, what actually happens if this massive body-wide inflammation is just left completely unchecked and untreated? It can get bad, leading to major complications like crippling psoriatic arthritis or painful widespread skin eczematization. But there's good news. Treatments range from simple topical creams to incredibly advanced systemic drugs and biologics.
Here's the thing, though. Managing your daily stress and mental health is just as crucial as the medication.
Treating your mind is quite literally essential for healing your body. So how are you protecting your peace?